Hey Mike, it's Jeff Kelly from Tilbury Chrysler. Thanks for giving us a call yesterday. I just wanted to show you the Grand Cherokee. I know I sent a couple pictures, but I want to do a video just to show you a little more about the changes from the 11 to the 2015. Nice right off the bat, the headlights, the LED, HID configuration here gives you a wider dispersion of light, really nice. You can see the chrome accents in the grille and the HID fog lights as well. Also, Mike, I know you have the V8 right now and looking to downsize into the V6, but you're not really downsizing a lot in horsepower, and you're going to gain a lot in fuel mileage. So here's the 3.6 liter, 283 horsepower in the Grand Cherokee, 260 pounds of torque. So still plenty of engine, and you get the best of both worlds with the fuel mileage. Hey Mike, this is also standard with remote start, and I know you're familiar with the passive entry, but when you lock the vehicle, walk right up to it, put your hand in behind the handle and the vehicle, it unlocks, and you get right in. Also comes standard with the power liftgate. If you want to come around here, I'll show you how that works. So while we're back here, it shows you the new LED racetrack tail lights. Have a look at those. Just 2 clicks on the remote and your power liftgate. It's a nice privacy shade inside as well, the cargo cover, and then your spare tire underneath the false floor here. There's actually an actuator button inside as well as inside by the HUD overhead display. Okay, Mike, we're inside. There is a few different changes inside. The styling is a little bit different. The setup's kind of the same. Also with the Limited is the heated seats and heated steering wheel. I'll just show you that on the radio, and that's where you actuate. When you start the vehicle and it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below, the heated seat and heated steering wheel will come on automatically on the driver's side. Still have to push it on the passenger side, but very simple to do that. The heads-up display on the interior, right in on the dash, shows your RPM, speedometer, fuel, everything like that, and it's all digital, and you can change it all through the buttons on the steering wheel. This one is not equipped with nav, but very easily upgraded to nav. This is the RA3 radio, which still gives you the backup camera, which I'll show you there. Shows you, and then the grid lines for when you turn the wheel, it'll actually show you which way the vehicle is going to go into. As well as the reverse sensors are on the vehicle too for safety and convenience. The steering wheel has been upgraded as well from the 2011 to the 15. The audio controls are still in the back of the steering wheel. You'll notice 2 silver buttons, a plus and a minus, and that's the paddle shifters for the sport mode, meaning that you can change gears without a clutch and go up and down depending on if you're towing or going up and down any hills, and save some fuel mileage that way. The cruise control is located right on the front of the steering wheel, and this is to access your driver information center there. If you look here on the dash where your heat and air conditioning controls are, you have dual climate between the two of you, and you see this little light on the bottom here. It's the Eco button, and what that does is sets the torque converter a little bit different, so the gearing is different to maximize your fuel mileage as well with the 3.6. Stability program is there as well, and if you can look over here, it does have the select track. Right now it's an auto, and we have sand, snow, rock, and mud. And then you also have your 4-wheel drive low. This is your hill descent, which controls your vehicle speed while you're going down hills. The new gear shifter located in here as well is the 8-speed transmission. So having 3 more gears than you do currently will actually get you a lot better fuel mileage than your current model. So up here, Mike, we have the power garage door openers that you can link up with your home link at home. This is the sunroof buttons to open and close, and your interior lights, but also there's the power liftgate button that's located right here. And your Uconnect system with the microphones are located on the top of the mirror. so that people can hear you better. This is also a power mirror, so that if someone has their high beams on behind you, it'll automatically dim in this mirror. So as you can see, there's a lot of safety and convenience features that they've upgraded on our 2015, and the styling is there. The wood grain finish on the inside with the gold accents, really a nice look for the Grand Cherokee. Mike, thanks for taking the time to watch my video here on the 2015 Grand Cherokee Limited. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow night when you come out. If you have any questions in the meantime, something I didn't show you, just give me a call, 1-800-267-5595. It's Jeff Kelly again from Tilbury Chrysler.